Good morning, ninth graders. Recall that on last week's homework, I asked you two questions. When did you complete this assignment? And I gave you four choices. And how many minutes did you spend on this assignment? I took the data from one of our classes and I made a graphical display. You'll notice that the time frames are on the x-axis and the number of minutes spent on math homework is on the y-axis. For today's opening, I would like you to tell me, what do you notice and what do you wonder when looking at this graph? Please write your response in the Nearpod collaboration board. We continue learning about how to find key features of a parabola from a graph for our algebra proficiency goal. We also have a process of learning goal for organization. I use strategies to organize my time and get my tasks done. Time organization can be hard. As an adult, this is a skill I continue to work on. It's not easy for me, especially going from summer when I had a lot of free time to now when I have more responsibilities as a teacher. I'm trying to better organize my time to make sure I get my work done and still have times for things like friends, sleep, running, relaxation, and talking to my family. I hate the feeling of being stressed when I haven't organized my time to get important tasks done. Time organization will help you be efficient and effective in your schoolwork, at your current or future job, and in your relationships with people who matter most to you. These are our two goals in algebra class, right? Time for some choice practice. How will you organize your time? First option is doing the first practice problem with me and then going into your breakout room. The second option is to go into your breakout room and collaborate with peers right away and try the next two problems independently. And finally, option 3 is to go into the breakout room and collaborate with your peers and check your answer key after each problem. On the Nearpod slide, next is a poll. Please choose which option works best for you as you plan out how to organize your time. Thank you, Evan. That was such a thoughtful question. Yes, for y-intercepts, you are correct. The x-coordinate is always 0. All right, tonight's homework. Before we get into the details, though, remember that we have two goals that we are working on, and we're focusing especially on this POL goal of organization, okay? Please take out your math notebook and write this paragraph with me, okay? You're gonna fill in the blanks. And as you start to write this down, I'm going to model what it would look like for me, okay? This assignment is due Friday, September 7th by 11:59 p.m. For me, I plan to complete my math work, which is lesson planning, tomorrow morning after I wake up and before I exercise. I plan to spend about 30 minutes on this task. If I get stuck, someone I can ask for help is Miss Weeder. Somewhere I can look for help is Google Classroom. Remember that you can always email me or use my Google Voice number if you want somebody to contact if you get stuck. Please, on the next Nearpod slide in the collaboration board, type in your response, your fill in the blank for this part of the paragraph in purple. I would like to see what everybody is writing and what their plan is for when they're going to complete their math work.